thank you, Amala, for being such a genius. You definitely need to hit up LaGuardia Cross's page for some awesome, fun comedy videos and the cutest little 1.5-year-old ever in life. So, back to the makeup stuff. What's good? What it is, what it do, what it be like. Hi. We are back with another video. It's an unboxing video. We are looking at Sigma brushes. Sigma Cosmetics brush drying and reshaping rack. PSA, Sigma is having a 30% off sale right now. And I believe I got this with some type of discount code. So, let's open this up, shall we? Already a win for presentation. Oh. Okay, Sigma. I'm down for... Oh, it says Sigma Beauty. Okay, alright. What do we have here? Propaganda. Just for you. I'm down for propaganda. Innovative. We stand. Here's our story. Okay, alright. I don't think I got that one. But there is a drying rack. Brushes, makeup, and gadgets. Now, I've been familiar with... Oh, okay, I see. It's like literally a full itinerary of everything that they've got. Okay, alright, Sigma, I'm here for the presentation. We're winning so far. So, I have heard of Sigma through Instagram. I would say I don't actually own any of their brushes, but I have seen a lot of their gadgets. So we're going to be looking at the brush drying rack. Okay, alright. We have more. This is probably the packaging information. Probably the invoice and some stuff. No! Okay, alright. Oh, this is the free lip gloss that they gave you because you spent a certain amount. Alright. We'll swatch that when we're done. Okay. So, the formal name is the Dry and Shape Tower. You can hold up to 44 brushes. And considering that my brush setup, at least when it comes to drying, because I just recently redid my little station over here where I film. I've got a new full-size mirror, which is 26 by 16 inches, 26 inches tall, 16 inches wide. It also has a shelf at the bottom. It came from Target for like 30 bucks. And I'm such a fan of their packaging. My goodness, just okay. Oh, we definitely have to assemble things. All right, we're here for assembling. Okay. Are the directions? I mean, there better be directions. Okay. But, yeah. Forgot what I was saying. I'll probably wind up repeating myself so when I edit this, but I've been a fan of their gadgets on Instagram. They're having a sale right now, and my brush setup when it comes to drying brushes is not necessarily very professional. Mostly I've just been having them on a towel and stuff, but I've seen people do a lot of really cool DIY hacks, like taking them, having them on your towel rack and rubber banding them in place. But yeah, so alright, what we got? Larger base brush, section A, and then a connector. Connect, twist, like so. Large base A, connector. Then we're going to take the medium brush base and put that on top of the connector. Okay. Then we're going to take the second connector, put it here. Oh wait, a little bit too rough. Hang on, hang tight. Whoa, wait a minute. There we go. And then we take this one, which is this side up. I guess I could have taken the stickers off of there, but well, I can do that later. There you have it. Isn't that cute? So what is intended? Ooh, I have the face and eye tower. Okay, all right. So we've got this one here, not the full one, which apparently is the eye tower, and then the face and eye tower combined apparently. But what is intended is that you can take, let's get Ace VV up on here. All right, so nice good Ace VV brush here. I guess we would insert from the bottom up. Hack, sorry. So, insert. And there you go. And the band helps to reshape them bristles. And also the brushes are stored upside down to help with better drying. Not bad at all. And I'm definitely due to wash some brushes. I like spinning it around the city. But I think this is very nice. I really do. I'm a little concerned that my invoice and packing information, not that anyone ever actually keeps that shit, but I'm a little concerned that none of that information is in here. But also at the same time, the order was sent in a timely manner. Let's see. Oh yeah, and you can also take it apart pretty easy too. So this came from Sigma Beauty. Their website is sigmabeauty.com. And again, they have a 30% off sale right now. Let me give you a coupon code. Your coupon code is SAVE30, SAVE30. You could also get a free brush cup on orders of $150 or more. Ain't nobody got money like that to drop, Sigma. No offense, because I got this at a discount. It was $49, and I used my 20% off your first order coupon. After tax, it was basically $45, so not bad. And this one holds up to 24 eye brushes and 20 face brushes, is what it says specifically. So normally, this retails for $49. But, you know, use them coupon codes. Or there's plenty of DIY methods out there. Like I said, there's a lot of girls that use a towel rack and rubber band the brushes to them. You just be ghetto like me and just let them lay all over the place, whatever. Whatever works for you. Not saying that you have to use this, but it's nice. It helps to organize and is extremely efficient. I will be filming another video here soon because I do need to clean these brushes. I'll do another video actually reviewing this in full after I've had a chance to clean my brushes and let them dry with it, and also how I clean my brushes. This is a Real Techniques brush mitt thingy. And Sigma has a lot of neat brush cleaning gadgets as well too, that they have almost in the same damn color scheme. But they have actual mats that lay in the bottom of the sink, actual mitts that go on over your hand. You know, there's a one piece like this. There's one that actually looks like a damn oven mitt. I don't know. We'll see, since they got this 30% sale going. And I am very interested in getting some of their brushes as well too. But as for this, so far, I do like it. I'm excited to put it to use. And I will follow up with you guys on the next video. Until then, thank you for watching as always. If you have any suggestions, funny jokes, questions, hit your girl in the comments section. Yay, I'm a poet. And in case you didn't know it, there is a playlist for that. Otherwise, you guys have a wonderful day. Until next time. Hey, come here. Okay, bye. Just say bye, YouTube.
Bye, YouTube.
All right.